This is Liberty stock number 51377. It's a Samsung SMEC SL 25ASY live tooling CNC lathe. It's got a FANUC 18ITB control. Again, live tooling sub-spindle parts catcher. Y-axis is Z-axis. Coolant filtration system is not shown, as is the chip conveyor. So, okay.
It's all one piece.
Yep.
Yeah. So obviously we're under power. Open up. Got that broken tool checker up on top of the spindle too. That works. Part of the program, they bring it in.
Okay.
Coming around. I don't know what it's worth. Show the slider downstairs. Just move system, that's
Yep.
all. I mean,
Okay.
it's there.
It's there.
It's there. It's there. Chucking pressure is all good. We're chucked up right now. Excuse me. My 208 coming in on the side. Gotta be careful here.
Thank you.
Next up will be the main switchgear panel. And kind of work your way in there. Come over on this side maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Excellent. Thank you.
Good?
Yep.
And one more to look at over here. I mean, this is the chiller system. Take a look at it. It's up and running.
It's clean.
And the only other thing of consequence, well, of course, here's the air package. I don't have it hooked up right now for the parts catcher, but it works. We fired that up manually. Part catcher works. And over here is, I think, Sub-Spindle hydraulics. Open close chuck for the collar closer. And of course, we are chucked right now on Sub-Spindle. I'm not running it right now. This program's not calling for it, but I can just jump right in now and maybe just do a few things manually. And it does have a program in there that utilizes, I think, every tool in the turret. Just to go forward, you can go an index maybe. One more. One more. Come on back, one or two maybe. That's that. And your standard jog here.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, I don't know. I'll try to kind of watch what I'm doing here. So. Z, that's rapid. Can we bring in rapid? Let's see. Yeah, a little bit faster. That one's there. Yep, it's coming down. Next back. Good Y.
Can you do that again?
What, Y?
Yeah.
Yeah. You'll see that a lot in the program. It's all day long in the program. Again, what? Oh.
Yeah. Good.
D. I'm just going to home B because I want to make sure that's all the way back. So I'm just going to hit it. Send that home. And the other ones I can leave, I can just jump in at any time. Oh, spindle speed. So we could jump into MDI. This thing's being used as a C-axis. They never ran the spindle. So I'll bring it up to maybe 1,000 or something, but I think I should try programming first. That helps a lot, yeah. And we're down low anyhow at 50%. Cycle start. It's off center because they got the fixture fittings on there, but sounds good. Go a little bit higher here. $700, $750, $800. Sounds nice. It won't get used again for my auto cycle, so we'll run it now.
Okay.
Yep. And having said that, without playing with a lot of other things, index, move some axes, remove the spindle. I guess I'll just jump into the auto cycle here and let it fly. And it's about 3 minutes long, and you get to see everything happen. So let me just jump in over here. And we're at full speed. We can be because we're cutting air. Spindle doesn't matter. It's going to be a C-axis over there. We're at the beginning of the program. I should be able to go right now. Let's see what we get. We're doing a pattern of sorts, and you get right in on this thing and show well. Utilizing that y-axis for geometric design. Rotated C. Part sketcher come down? Part
did not.
Tool checker?
I did not.
Bad angle. You should get over here. You'll see it, almost every index that comes down. You gotta really watch for it though. Right here, I think it's gonna go check it right now. Watch. There it is. Program over here a little bit too. Pretty strong there. It's a lot of program there. Depth over there. Full check. This is pretty good right here. And broken tool, let me reset and continue. there. Yeah, see axis?
Yeah.
In depth, yeah. I'm really out a couple spots there. Broken tool, 1 second, reset. There we go. Comes the big one.
Broaching tool?
I suppose. We're moving now. X is moving at this point, so it's pulling up on it. I think it does one more spot. I think it flips it on the axis one more time and does don't. I think it does one more.
Wild.
Yeah, I think these are the last two, if I'm not mistaken. Still broaching, X and Y, moving them both. See them delayed, they're using like a kind of a spark out there. It's going back, that's it. Done deal.
That's pretty cool.
That's pretty much it. Yeah, I'd like to see the part that was coming off of that junk, really.